Hey, how you doing? Justin here. Welcome to my strumming dynamics course. This one is going to be a game changer for any rhythm guitar player who feels like their strumming is a bit flat and it needs that pro touch. We're going to start off by looking at why most songs don't have a strumming pattern. They have 2 or 3 different patterns, and you're going to learn how to change between them. We're also going to look at adding strumming fills and builds into new sections. We're going to also look at adding a backbeat accent. The backbeat is really important. It's the thing that adds groove to your rhythm guitar. So we're going to learn lots of different ways of incorporating that into your playing. We're going to look at the all-down 8th note strumming and why that can really push songs along, give them a lot more kind of emphasis and movement. We're going to look at adding the accents there. We're going to look at adding a palm mute to your strumming. Then we're also going to check out how to use 6/8 strumming and what the difference is between 6/8, 3/4. A lot of confusion around that stuff as well. We're also going to have a bit of a deep dive into how you know what strumming pattern to use where. There's loads of good stuff, and all of the essential strumming patterns are going to be covered in this course. Really hope you're going to enjoy it. Of course, feedback is always welcome. Do leave me comments as well during the course. I'm going to be checking out as much as I can, and I'll adapt the course to make sure that it's awesome for all you boys and girls that are checking it out. Let's get started.